Are you striving to shed those extra pounds and boost your energy levels? You might be hitting the gym regularly and making an effort to eat healthily, yet the results remain elusive. Could your diet be the missing piece of the puzzle? In this video, we will introduce you to 10 incredibly low-calorie foods that should be a staple in your daily life. The best part? These foods aren't just diet-friendly, they're also incredibly tasty. If you're yearning for vitality, anti-inflammatory benefits, and a turbocharged metabolism, read on and uncover the secrets to your success. Stick with us till the end. Before we delve into the details, remember to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, activate the notification bell, and share this valuable knowledge with your friends and family. So, let's dive in. Konjac potatoes, the weight loss wonder. Imagine indulging in a plate of pasta without the guilt. That's precisely what Konjac potatoes offer. Unlike traditional pasta, Konjac pasta is virtually calorie-free. It's rich in soluble fiber, especially glucomannan, which can absorb water up to 100 times its weight. Soluble fiber's magic lies in promoting satiety, regulating blood sugar levels, and improving cholesterol profiles. Don't confuse Konjac potatoes with yacon potatoes, they're entirely different. Konjac potatoes hail from Asia and have been a staple in Asian cuisine for centuries, often in the form of shirataki noodles. A mere 220-gram serving contains just 20 calories, a stark contrast to the 1,000-plus calories in a similar portion of cookies or the 320 calories in penne pasta. What's more, Konjac potato pasta has the remarkable ability to make you feel full, perfect for those who seek emotional comfort in food. Swap out higher-calorie options with Konjac potato pasta to curb cravings effectively. Zucchini, the affordable alternative. If the cost of Konjac potato products is a concern, consider zucchini as your ninth choice. Zucchini noodles, commonly known as zoodles, are a fantastic low-calorie substitute for traditional pasta. With only 17 calories per 100 grams, zucchini rivals the calorie content of Konjac potatoes. What's more, it's incredibly affordable, making it accessible to all budgets. Beyond its low-calorie status, zucchini packs a nutritional punch. It's rich in essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, magnesium, and folate. Zucchini also boasts antioxidants that protect your cells from free radical damage and contains pectin, a soluble fiber that helps manage blood sugar levels, making it a wise choice for diabetics. Get creative in the kitchen, there are countless delicious zucchini recipes beyond noodles. Cucumber, hydration and health. Cucumbers are more than just a refreshing snack, they offer a plethora of health benefits too. Comprising a remarkable 95% water, they're incredibly hydrating and weigh in at only 12 calories per 100 grams, closely rivaling Konjac potatoes in the low-calorie department. Cucumbers are potassium-rich, supporting healthy blood pressure, and boast antioxidants that safeguard your cardiovascular system. These versatile veggies are also abundant in vitamin C, K, and B6, making them a nutritious choice. For those craving pickles, fermented cucumbers are rich in probiotics, promoting gut health and enhancing digestion. To lower their salt content, rinse them with water before eating or look for low-sodium pickle options. Tomato, the tasty diet addition. Contrary to misconceptions, tomatoes are weight loss friendly, with just 20 calories per 100 grams. They're a nutrient powerhouse, supplying vitamin C and K, potassium, and lycopene, a potent antioxidant known for skin protection and eye health. Tomatoes regulate blood pressure and are a fiber source that aids satiety. Spinach, nutrient-rich and low-cal. Spinach is a diet-friendly superstar with only 23 calories per 100 grams. It's quick to prepare and versatile, lending itself to various dishes. Rich in vitamins A, K, folate, iron, and calcium, it also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, promoting eye health and reducing macular degeneration risk. Enhance iron absorption by pairing it with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus, tomatoes, or red peppers. Lettuce, more than just greens. Lettuce is a low-calorie champ, with a mere 16 calories per 100 grams. It's largely water, making it hydrating, and it packs a fiber punch. Historically regarded as an aphrodisiac, lettuce contains nitrates that promote vasodilation. Enjoy it at night for its natural sedative effects, aiding sleep and reducing anxiety. The varieties of lettuce are endless. Explore American, curly, soft, Roman, and purple types to discover your favorite. Celery, the health booster. Celery is a nutritional powerhouse known for reducing inflammation, enhancing heart health, and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, potassium, and folate, it's also loaded with antioxidants for free radical defense. With its fiber content, it fosters satiety and has demonstrated benefits for blood pressure, cholesterol, and cancer risk reduction. Radish, the cruciferous contender. Radish belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family, celebrated for its cancer-fighting properties. Packed with vitamin C and K and armed with antioxidants, radishes fortify the immune system and combat infections. Additionally, they aid in regulating blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Cauliflower, the versatile veggie. Cauliflower is a versatile addition to your diet, low in calories and fat. It's a superb source of vitamin C and K and harbors antioxidants to safeguard against free radicals. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory attributes contribute to heart and cancer protection. Watermelon, sweet and healthy. Wrap up your low-calorie food tour with the delicious watermelon. Rich in vitamins A and C, plus lycopene, it's hailed for its cancer risk-reducing properties. Watermelon supports heart health by providing essential potassium and keeps calorie and fat counts low. By embracing these 10 low-calorie foods, you can kickstart your weight loss journey while improving overall health. Remember, it's crucial to consult with a doctor or registered dietitian when pursuing weight loss to ensure a sustainable and healthy approach. Did you like the video? Please share, like and subscribe to our channel for new content. See you next time.